Hello everyone and welcome to the Literacy Center language tutorial. Today we are going to talk about modifiers. Modifiers are words, phrases and clauses that function to describe other words, phrases and clauses. In short, a modifier is a describer. It is a word, phrase or clause that describes another word, phrase or clause. Let's see some examples. If you look at this sentence here, he is a cute baby. In this sentence, cute is a modifier. So we can say in this sentence, cute is actually an adjective modifying the noun that is baby. The adjective cute is a modifier. Here, cute modifies the type of baby. So modifiers are important. And why are these modifiers important? Modifiers are critical to the English language. Without them, we would not be as efficient or effective in our reading and writing. Modifiers are really important. Furthermore, if we don't use modifiers here, our sentences would be incredibly boring. How? Let's check out. What if we express our day's activity without any modifier? For example, I woke, I ate, I dressed, I drove, I worked, I exercised, I showered, and I slept. Well, if I write something like this, that is not engaging or interesting at all. So here is the same schedule when you write it down with the use of modifiers. I woke up at 6 a.m. this morning. For breakfast, I ate a bagel and 2 eggs. I choose to wear a black suit with a blue shirt and matching tie. At about 9 o'clock, I arrived at work. After a busy morning, I consumed a hearty lunch. Clearly, modifiers enhance the language and affect how we communicate daily, right? Let's talk about the types of modifiers. Several different types of modifiers exist in English. Let's explore a few important ones. The first one is adjective modifiers. Adjectives modify nouns and pronouns. They answer the questions in relationship to the nouns they modify. Do you remember the very first example of modifier we saw? The sentence, he is a cute baby. So adjective modifiers can modify the noun here, answering the following question in relationship to the noun. Let's see. What kind of baby it is? A cute baby. So the baby is a cute baby, right? And which baby we are talking about? That baby. Another type is adverb modifiers. Adverbs modify verbs, adjectives, and other adverbs. They answer the questions in relationship to the nouns. For example, it will talk about when this happened. When did you arrive? Arrive tomorrow. When did you arrive? I arrived tomorrow. Where have you arrived? In your hometown? Have you danced everywhere? You dance where? You dance everywhere? Wow! Modifiers are critical to the English language, and without them, we would not be as efficient or effective in our reading and writing. So in the next part, we will talk more about the modifiers and we will see some more examples and the types of the modifiers and how modifiers improves our writing and reading. So if you have any questions or if you need any help, you can contact us, you can text us or you can email us and we will get back to you. Thank you.